Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Bankroll Flow. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on my channel, I'm going over how to migrate from Bankroll Flow version 1 to Bankroll Flow version 2, right? Now, I was on vacation when the whole migration happened between Bankroll Flow version 1 and Bankroll Flow version 2. So I wasn't aware of the whole migration that went on. And when I went back to Bankroll Flow, I wasn't able to roll or claim any of my, rewards. I wasn't able to roll or claim anything. And I was asking around. I was on everybody YouTube video under the comments asking how to do this, and nobody was really responding to me. So I went ahead and I did it myself. So I'm about to share how to do it, right? If you got the thank you for participating in Bankroll Flow version 1 screen and you don't see the roll or claim, I'm about to tell y'all how to migrate to version 2. Now, it's real simple. All you gotta do is first you gotta have TRX in your wallet. You gotta have at least 150 TRX in your wallet to do this, right? Now, once you have TRX in your wallet, you gotta go to Bankroll Flow version 1 and you gotta buy BNKRX. So you go to Get Banker and then you gotta buy, right? You gotta buy 10 BNKRX, right? So it's about, you gotta put about 40. Yeah, you gotta buy about $45 TRON. It costs about 45 TRON for 10 BNKRX. So you buy 10 BNKRX, right? Then it'll be in your version 2. And once it's in your version 2, right, you can update your buddy, whoever your buddy was, in your original team, you can update that. And then you go down to Flow Teams. Under Flow Teams, you'll see all of these tabs. And then you go to the Transfer tab, right? And on the Transfer tab, you click Use My Address. Once you click Use My Address and then Migrate, it'll allow you to be in Bankroll. Now, I want to mention something because I think I forgot to say this. When you buy the 10 BNKRX, you have to deposit it, right? So you have to enable deposits. You will see the 10 BNKRX available after you buy it. Then you have to deposit 10 BNKRX. It's like $2, right? You got to put like $2 in here. After you put that in there, then you'll be able to migrate, right? You'll be able to go down here to Flow Teams and transfer and migrate. Now, your total deposits will transfer, and after that, your BNKRX will start generating again. Your daily interest will start generating again. But if you had any unclaimed rewards, right, and you see in this box, if you see in this pop-up and you had any unclaimed rewards, right, you did lose them. You lost those unclaimed rewards, but the total deposits, you can migrate that to Flow version 1.2. Now, I had trouble with this at first. I didn't understand how to do this, but when you first go to Flow version 1.2, you're gonna see all zeros. Everything is gonna say 0. It's gonna be zeroed out. You have to buy 10 BNKRX, right? You have to buy 10 BNKRX. It's $2, right? It's about 45 TRX. 45 TRX. You gotta buy that first. Then you go back to Flow version 1.2. Go back to Flow version 1.2. You deposit that, right? You gotta enable deposits, and then you gotta deposit that in Flow version 1.2. Then you just go down, you set the buddy, and then you migrate the account, right? You go to transfers, use my address, migrate the account, right? You do need TRX in your wallet. You need TRX in your wallet. You might have to buy some, like I did. I just went on Coinbase, bought some Bitcoin, sent it over, Sent over my TRX. Only bought 688 TRX. Sent it over. And I still got TRX in my account. So yeah, you need a couple dollars in your TronLink in order to migrate to Flow version 1.2. Now, if anybody had issues, y'all can email me at info@yonworld.org. That's info@yonworld.org. Right? Leave a comment. I try my best to help you in the comments, but just watch this video and you will get it, right? If you get in this screen just saying thank you for participating in Bankroll Flow version 1, you don't see the roll button, you don't see the claim button, and you want to join version 1.2, you got to first buy 10 BankRX. That's only $2 worth of BankRX. Deposit them, enable deposits, go down, transfer to your address, migrate the account, use my address, migrate the account, right? It'll automatically copy your deposit wallet address, which is your TronLink address. It'll automatically copy it and put it in Bankroll Flow version 1.2. So I'm just making this video so y'all can get back in the game. If you had a team, you probably lost your team just like I did because I was late on the migration. But I'm just letting y'all know how to do it. I'll have my link in the description if you want to join my team again. But this is how to join Bankroll Flow version 1.2 if you got the thank you for participating in Bankroll Flow version 1.1 screen and you don't see the roll or claim. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.